The world is changing fast, led by AI. Think about ChatGPT, amazing, right? It writes, codes, creates. This is the power of artificial intelligence transforming everything. Are we in India ready for this shift? The USA and China are AI giants, investing massively in shaping the future. But what about India? We have brilliant minds, celebrated globally. Yet in AI, are we leading or lagging? We see sparks of innovation, but where is India's ChatGPT? This isn't about blame, it's about awareness and action. Why does this gap exist? We have the potential. So what's holding us back? Let's explore and understand. Understanding is the first step toward meaningful action. We live in a noisy world, bombarded with information. Our phones buzz non-stop, notifications pop up relentlessly. Attention is the new currency, pulled in countless directions. It's a battle for focus, often lost unknowingly. Think about social media scrolls, endless memes, viral videos. Entertaining, yes, but is it productive for our nation's growth? Then there's the Indian Premier League. Cricket fever grips the nation. Imagine channeling that energy into groundbreaking technology. And our beloved food delivery apps. Instant gratification at our fingertips. This convenience fosters a mindset of quick consumption, not deep work. We need a conscious shift towards long-term creation. Don't lose heart. India is a land of immense talent. Our history proves it. Genius flows in our veins. We have the intellect to solve complex problems. Look at our IT industry. Indian engineers power global tech. Infosys, TCS, Wipro, household names. Our CEOs lead global giants like Google and Microsoft. This demonstrates our capability to excel globally. Think about our space missions. ISRO's Chandrayaan and Mangalyaan, achieved with skill and on a lean budget. This is world-class innovation, showcasing our scientific temper. If we can conquer space, we can conquer AI too. The talent and skills are here, ready to innovate and create. We have a strong foundation to build upon. If talent isn't the issue, what's holding India back in AI? It's about our collective national direction and vision for AI. China has a national AI plan. The USA thrives on private innovation. India needs its own unique strategy, a mindset shift. From service providers to product creators in AI, from using AI tools to building them. This requires a change in perspective and belief in leadership. Innovation must be fostered from the ground up. It's not just the government's job. Everyone must be involved. A united front, government, industry, academia, working together. Policies supporting AI research, industries investing, universities nurturing talent. Together, we can build this AI dream. What if India remains just a consumer of foreign AI? The consequences are serious. Digital dependence and vulnerability. Our data, the new oil, controlled by others. Losing control means losing digital sovereignty and security. Economically, dependence means paying for foreign AI, missing out on building our own industry. We need AI that reflects India's culture and values. AI trained on diverse Indian data to avoid biases. We must create AI that serves India's unique needs. Enough about problems, let's focus on solutions. It's not too late for India in AI, the game is still on. We can change our trajectory and write our AI future, from passive consumers to active creators and innovators. Let's build India's AI marvels and lead our digital destiny. What can you do? Learn about AI, explore possibilities, support Indian AI startups, consider a career in AI. Every effort counts. It's about national pride and self-reliance. Secure our nation's future, our children's future. Wake up, stand tall, join the AI revolution. Let's build an India that leads the world in AI. The time to act is now. Jai Hind.